Hello and welcome. My name is Ethan Hamlet-Stroll and I'm from the documentation team here at mscrm-addons.com. Today I'm happy to discuss with you all the new DocumentsCorePack template designer Office add-in for Word. The Office add-in is a new version of the template designer that is designed to be a more simple and user-friendly experience for those installing it. As always, this video serves as a visual guide to an article that we have on our website, so if you're curious to read that and more, please make sure to check out the video description down below. Now then, let's get started. So, today we're asking ourselves, what exactly is the DocumentsCorePack Office add-in? As mentioned, the Office add-in is an updated version of the template designer, and it is designed to be more user-friendly and easier to install. What does it mean to be more user-friendly and easier to install? It means that now you no longer have to go about installing it through an exe or through a local install. Now you can actually just get the template designer via the Office add-in store. You can just add it in just like that and start inserting your fields. It is automatically kept up to date, it is aligned with Microsoft 365 security standards, and it is future-proof. Also, importantly, this version of the template designer is cross-platform with Windows, Mac OS, and Word Online. There are some changes with the Office add-in compared to the classic desktop client. As I already mentioned, it is centrally maintained via the Office Store, so now you don't need to do any sort of local installs or updates needed, meaning that you no longer have to worry about having to do manual updates on local machines on each machine. The classic desktop client was only Windows only, but now the Office add-in is available for Windows, Mac OS, and Word Online. It is always up to date, it is accessible anywhere with Microsoft Word, and the Office add-in, like I said, simplifies IT administration. No more executables, it is aligned with Microsoft 365 security standards. Also, the Office add-in still has the same template design capabilities for Dynamics 365 that you've grown to love. You can still insert placeholder fields, you can still handle complex relationships, you still have conditional content. You still have a lot of those basic features. The one thing that you don't have right now currently is some advanced features, such as charting. They're not available right now, but they will become available as time goes on. Now, what I'd like to take the time to do with you guys, is I'd like to show you how you can actually activate the add-on via the Office Store, connect to your environment, and get started immediately with inserting fields into your templates. So we're going to take a look at a document I have already at the ready. This is supposed to be a sort of contact welcome letter where we want to send this document to a contact, welcoming them aboard. So what do? Well, we don't have the DocumentsCorePack template designer yet, but we can do that very simply by going to the add-in store. Click up here, we can just type it in, DocumentsCorePack, and you'll see it's right here under the search results. You can just go ahead, click add, and you will see, boom, right there. Get started with your DocumentsCorePack template designer add-in. It's already available, just as simple as that. And now the next thing we would need to do would be to connect to our Dataverse environment. So we're going to go ahead and we're just going to hit insert fields to see what this looks like when we pop it up like this. I'll move myself a little bit over to the side so you can see what it looks like. You'll see that it asks you to sign in. So we will sign in just like that. And here it will ask you to sign in with an account that you have. So we're just going to go with an account that I have right here. You just enter your account email, your account password, and then it will ask you to connect to an environment. We are just going to connect to the environment that we have right here. We just click connect. And then it will start to populate the template designer with the fields we need. Of course, at the start, we just need to select our base entity. Since we mentioned this is a contact template, we will start with a contact base entity. And then it will populate it with the fields that we need. So, for example, since we want to make sure we address the customer, we want to put their first and last name fields in here. So we'll just select first name, and then once that's inserted, we follow it up with a space, and then insert last name, and then boom, we have it just like that. So you can see now with the new Office add-in, it is a very straightforward process to just install it and then just get right in to designing your templates. That's really all there is to it. So, with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this showed you how easy it is to get the add-in installed. If you did like the video that you saw here, please make sure to check out our channel for other videos, and make sure to check out our website. Also, do consider to like and subscribe, as you'll see more videos pop up on our channel as time goes on. So, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.